3 in row 1, make chain 1 and turn around. Make half double crochet into every stitch until you have 3 last stitch from the stitch mark. In the last 3 stitches, I'm going to decrease half double crochet 3 together. So first of all, half double crochet, and here is a 4 chain, 1 2 3, and again 5. There is a 5 stitches here, so I'm gonna pull through all of them like this and chain 1, turn around and decrease 2. I'm going to decrease half double crochet by 2. Now I have a 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 stitches, and pull through all loops. After decreasing 2 half double crochet together, keep repeating making half double crochet like this. Row 3, make chain 1 and turn around. Make half double crochet until you have 2 last stitches left. Now you have 2 last stitches left, 1 and 2. And in these stitches I'm going to decrease half double crochet together. First make half double crochet and again. Now I have 4 stitches, pull up together and chain 1, turn around. Keep repeating row 2 and row 3 until you reach row 6. Now I'm in row 3. I'm going to continue. यो चाहिँ row 6 हो. Increasing this all rows, अब row 7 देखिको चाहिँ यहाँबाट चाहिँ इन्क्रिज गर्नु पर्दैन, सिधै हाफ डबल क्रोशे मात्र बनाउँदै जाने. 7 to 20 चेन्स सम्म चाहिँ हाफ डबल क्रोशे बनाउँदै जाने. यहाँदेखि हाफ डबल क्रोशे. After making 20 row, front neckline is look like this. So this is my third part.
Coming soon. Last part.